Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to lock Facebook profile. First thing first, tap the three-line menu in the top left or top right corner of your screen of the Facebook app. Now scroll down to Tab, Settings and Privacy. Select Settings from the drop-down menu and then scroll down to the Audience and Visibility section. Tap on Profile Lock-in. Now tap the Lock Your Profile button at the bottom of the screen and wait for a few moments for the changes to apply. Finally, tap OK to confirm. And once locked, only your friends can see your full-size profile and cover photos, stories, and posts. Strangers will only see limited information like your name, profile photo, and cover photo thumbnail. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.